Pharmacy tech is not an easy area. I watched the teacher over there talking about math and converting milliliters and such and milligrams, and it's just so impressive. But then you have in the background people filling prescriptions, students learning how to do that, how to draw medicine into a syringe. These are things you just don't get in a regular classroom. So this is just incredible. The environment is perfect, and you know what? It's building our future. It really is building our future for a better future.
I feel like it makes me feel more comfortable in the pharmacy because I do the same work as the technicians do. And when I do actually get to work as a technician, I will be more experienced.
It means a lot to me because I'm not a hands-on learner, but since I have this lab here, I'm able to know how to count prescriptions, put it in a tote. I feel like this is just it gives me a feel on what's gonna happen in pharmacy. So I think it's gonna help a lot.